Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are...
Hey, I would usually never do this, but I am so confident that what I am about to reveal will work. I will do something I have never ever done before, okay? Get results with this, or you can cuss me out on my live webinar. I'm serious, because this is the ultimate bet. Look, I've got 4 Warrior Plus accounts. You'll see them on the marketplace. I got Jamie Lewis, Nebula One, and this beta tester account. This is the jackpot, okay? This is the gold rush, the unfounded, unprecedented, unadulterated money. I'd throw myself under the bus with this because I am absolutely certain that this will rock like never before.
We got sales. I got stuff coming in. It's really helping.
Put on your underpants, grab a beer, and relax, because the struggle is over, and that's the good news. My name is Jamie Lewis. My mad scientist is Johnny Rose. We're gonna call him in just 2 seconds. We released Plenty of Commissions, which was a smash hit. We released Forget About Broke, teaching people how to get paid with your phone. Got dozens of students that are making money with this just like this. We released Day One De Niro, how to get 200 free leads. And I myself launched Zombie Commissions, the first survivalist done-for-you package for the survival niche. I released many ads, automated writing, and the result? Deal of the day, deal of the day, deal of the day. We have constant customer service webinars where everyone is unmuted verbally, speaking on them, reporting the results that they're getting. We usually do really good stuff is what I'm saying. So let me jump to the chase. We're talking about an insane, never before seen strategy that is bringing in bona fide, legitimate, heck, I'll take a lie detector test type of results, all right? Results that are borderline supernatural. This is happening with free traffic. And it was painless. It was painless to achieve these surprise conversion rates naturally pouring into our inboxes. And again, while I'm running the company, who is in the laboratory testing, tweaking, optimizing, and streamlining these campaigns to what they are today, we need to give it up for Sir Johnny Rose, that's right, from Nottingham, England, the same place where Robin Hood is from. All right, let's call Johnny Rose. Let's do this.
There we go. The reason I'm just so excited about all of this is just a simple word. 2 words. Pure profit. I cannot stand methods and strategies that cost you, where you have to pay for things, where you have to buy ads, where you have to pay someone to freelance or anything like that. This is completely free. Now, what's also really good about this method is it's really easy. I love ease. I am not in the business of creating more work for myself or for Jamie or for Jamie's students. Also, what's really exciting is this will work for anyone. It doesn't matter whether you're young or old, whether you're a complete newbie or if you're a seasoned internet marketer, anyone can make money with this. I've seen young and old make money with this. I've seen people who haven't even made their first dime online make money with this.
And Robin Hood hit the jackpot. Now, I know that you would agree that normally the process of starting an online business feels like you can't balance all of these different things and understand how they work and connect with each other. It's the most frustrating experience, am I right? You want to make money online, but you can't juggle all of these different platforms and services. It's like you don't have 8 arms and legs, right? Because there really are essentially 8 things to do, and this is what we're going to give you. 8 arms and legs, like an octopus. That's what we're releasing today, the octuple-pronged, super reinforced Cybernetic Octopus. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Cybernetic Octopus is the most ingenious system that we have ever put out by far. It's a total game changer for 2022, the type of thing that comes around at once in 75 years like Halley's Comet. We handed it out to beta testers and we heard screams. We heard actual screaming through the radio waves on GoToWebinar like the Nickelodeon Super Toy runs in the 80s. Conversions, too many to count. Monetizing that traffic, baby. Freedom. The octopus is here. And as I have a runny nose, I'm super excited to tell you about this. The gurus be gone. Look at these results, even while we're playing VR games. And you know you've never heard me make a deal like this before, so you gotta try out this incredible cutting-edge software to get first page rankings and constant conversions. And then come on one of the many webinars that we have, call in, say, hey Jamie, screw you, dude, in front of everyone, all right? Which won't happen. It's probably gonna be the opposite, but if it does, that's the deal.
I just want to say, it works. We got sales. I got stuff coming in. It's really helping.
This thing is awesome. Turn your head around backwards. Let the octopus legs do its job. It can pull you in traffic. Open it up. You'll see the money you made.
I've been around a while. I have never seen a product that it's no fluff, targeted way to get free buyer traffic and get on the first page of Google.
This will get you on the front page of Google fast.
This cutting-edge system gives newbies exactly what they've been waiting for. It's time for you to shine while I'm freezing my ass off in Connecticut. Escape to the tropics with this insane system. Put on your under knickers and enjoy the ride. I recommend to hit that buy button below while we are doing the insane discount, and then you can see results that'll make your bully neighbor foam at the mouth with envy. The worst students ever are seeing awesome results with this, and you're next. All right, so attain the magnificent hands-off lifestyle now and finally experience those Malaysian beaches, belly dancers while you eat, caviar, and you see a 1969 Mustang, a 1971 Dodge Challenger, and a 1968 Corvette in your driveway every morning. Experience a townhouse with electronic curtains like at Planet Hollywood and date hot chicks. Make sure to click that button and get inside now. And ask yourself, how much do you think that this software would be worth when it does the job of 8 men? 8 salaries. All those programs you're buying at $49 to $97 a month add up. Don't kid yourself. That's $284 a month or $3,419 a year. I can't even think it's so cold out here. So, I mean, wouldn't you agree that this would be a bargain? I mean, you're spending like $2,000 a year. So this is your last chance to get in for the one-time price of a blooming onion at Outback. And that's not all, ladies and gents. The first 50 buyers are going to come to my personal live training meeting, as I was telling you about. You're not only going to be able to ream me out if it doesn't work, but I'll be meeting with you personally with only 50 other students, and we'll have a great interactive showcase of my $143,000 in 7 days strategy. And remember, again, you can ream me out if it doesn't work. I would never do this bet if I wasn't actually totally sure that it wouldn't ruin my entire reputation. I mean, it would give me a terrible reputation if it wasn't really that good, all right? So look, we do also have a 180-day money-back guarantee. This is 6 months for you to try it out to see that I am totally confident in what I'm talking about here. And if for any reason you want your money back, we got the unconditional ironclad money-back guarantee, baby. That's right. So you'll have a full 180 days to make sure that this is the best investment that you ever made. It's something that yields such powerful results and comes with no risk. So my best advice, take the bull by the horns. I wouldn't stand out here in the -degree temperatures if I wasn't totally confident about it. I said that a million times in this sales video, but I'll tell you one thing, I think you'll agree with me that you should hit that buy button right now. It's not every day that a system is this thorough, easy to use, and powerful. So click on the button below and grab Cybernetic Octopus. And I'm out here in the freezing temperatures, but I'm gonna see you in the cash ocean. Ugh.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to
Hello, fabulous JVs and affiliates. This is Jamie Lewis, and I would like to invite you to Cybernetic Octopus. We are launching Cybernetic Octopus on Warrior Plus on February 26th, which so happens to be my birthday. We chose this birthday extravaganza date because this launch is so important. It is so freaking awesome. It's been in development for quite a while now. It's an 8-part SEO strategy. It's going to be dynamite. A little bit of history about why this is so good. You guys got to understand that on my webinars, we do them 3 times a week for members. There's different types of webinars. There's a showcase one, and then there's a workshop, but all of them have one thing in common. All of the students are unmuted. We have up to 100 people in there. The students are so awesome. They even know that if a dog barks or some noise is happening, to mute themselves, stuff. It's just so badass. But anyway, our students are getting quite advanced. And with that, we were able to create this incredible method, which is working for total newbies. So we kind of have a Montessori school over here. We have advanced students teaching the younger students. It's a very, very good system. So I'm launching with Johnny Rose on Warrior Plus. There's $3,000 in prizes. And the funnel is incredible. We're going to be giving out 100% commissions on the front end, of course. And we'd love you to get invited and involved. And we are going to be recipping for you as well. What that means is that if you do well for us, if you mail and you have a launch, you got to let us know, because and you can annoy the heck out of me, all right? Remind me, send me, all, free. I'm not going to ignore you. I'm there on Facebook all the time, Facebook Messenger. And I'd be very happy to check out your launch and then support it in the best way I can. If you're in the top 10, I try my best to match. I try to match them hops, all right? And I try to match them sales too. So I'll do whatever I could do, So I wanted to make this just quick impromptu video to invite you to Cybernetic Octopus on February 26th. And I would love to have your support. If you need to know anything about it, hit me up. I'm on Facebook.com/Jamie Lewis Money. That's right. And we be doing this together. Cheers.
to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.